Yeah, hi all. So today again we are continuing our interview series which we have started of Java, and again today I will be explaining you the most important question, which is most asked in the interview or coding interviews. So let me go through it. Today we'll be starting with the find itinerary list of tickets. Basically, it's a question you can easily search it also, but the solution is very you can say lengthy or very not up to the mark. It is available on the net or anywhere else also if you find it. But this is the question which is being asked, whether it is a product based company or a service based company, as I mentioned earlier also. In this series I will be making the videos on the most asked interview questions which are being asked most, whether it is a lead code problem. It is available in the also all the lead code also. So what is the problem exactly? So basically there is a list of tickets is given. List means list of strings. It basically it is given. So inside that list it is like pointing like Chennai to Bangalore, suppose it is there, and then Bombay to Delhi, Goa to Chennai, Delhi to Goa. So basically what we the output interviewer is asking as a point of perspective, we can say that they want that suppose a user A is there, so user A should start his journey from a particular start point and should end to a particular destination point, and there should not be any break in between the journey. Suppose they are asking for the output that user should start from Bombay to Delhi firstly, like this should be the start point Bombay. Then if you see, Delhi is the endpoint, but from Delhi he is again taking a suppose a flight or train, and from Delhi to he is going to Goa, and Goa is the endpoint here, and from Goa again he is starting his start point, and then from Goa he is going to Chennai, and from Chennai he is again starting to his start point and going to Bangalore. So this how you need to make the output that he should start from his start point and end it to a particular endpoint. So this how the interviewer is asking for the output, and basically there should not be any break in between the journey, as I mentioned. And like the main logic here of this problem is that you need to find the start point of any, in this you see that Bombay is the start point, which is not coming in here in the value perspective, we can say. So let me firstly solve this problem, then I will more explain about you like how we are solving. So basically we are solving using the hash map and the loop iteration. Let me start solving it. So basically what I have done here, like I have created like before one array list, arrays.as list I have created, and inside that I am creating using list of string. So inside arrays.as list I am taking again arrays.as list and taking Chennai and Bangalore, then again taking Bombay and Delhi as list, and then again taking Delhi and Goa. So basically it is a list arrays.as list. Inside that again it is having the arrays.as list because it is list of string. Similar problems you can solve like on LeetCode, list of strings. That is a most you should understand this problem, like how it works basically, like list of strings, how we can perform some methods on that. So you can go through it once and let me know if any problem or any question you want to solve it. So basically what we will be doing, we will be creating one method, find something itinerary method here, and again I will be making the method as static so that no object should be used for calling it. We can directly call it, and inside that I am passing the list of string. And now what we will do, we will create two hash map. One is the original hash map, like how we are getting stored these keys and values, and one we are creating for the reverse hash map. And now we will try to store this list into the hash map, both the hash map. I will tell you like how we are storing it. Tickets dot size is there, and then original dot it is there. Okay, And after that, well, like how we need to store, we need to access this particular list index firstly, like I1. Suppose I is that, so this particular I am accessing it at Chennai in Bangalore. Inside that I want to store this particular key. So for accessing this, it is getting stored as 0th one index and it is getting stored at 1 index. Inside I index, it is getting stored as 0th index and it is getting stored at 1th index. So inside I index, I am trying to store at 0th index this as a key, and similarly for value ith index at 1th index, 1 index basically. Okay, so this is done. Now I will copy this. Now here the logic is there that what I am trying to do, I am trying to store into a reverse hash map, and inside that I am just interchanging the key and value. Inside here, like I am as a value I am passing as a key, and here I am passing as a like inside value I am passing as a key. So both the hash map are stored. Now I will iterate one of the hash map, that is the original hash map. Original was orig.entry set, and if reverse dot contains key entry dot, let me write it first and then I will explain you like what basically I am trying to do here. If it is there, so we will create two endpoints basically. One is start equals to empty we are declaring, and then 2 equals to empty we are declaring. Now what we will do, we will store start equals to entry dot get key, where the reverse hash map doesn't contain, and as soon as it got the end start point, then we will be breaking this loop. Okay, now as soon as he has got the start point, now we want to point we can get it. How we can get it? With the original hash map which we have stored dot get, and we can pass the start here. So it 2 also we got it first, like a string we have got it, start and destination we got it. Now until 2 does not equals to null, what we will be doing, we will be printing it, sorry, so this start is there and then 2 is there. Okay, so this how, and now we will interchange the value, like 2 value will be interchanged to our start, and it becomes a start now. And now again for getting 2 we will be passing original dot get start. Okay, so this how this program will work. Now simply we need to call this method here and just pass the tickets method, and nothing else we need to do, as it is a static method. Let me remove this extra space, and now we can run this program. See here, it is starting from Bombay to Delhi, from Delhi to Goa, Goa to Chennai, Chennai to Bangalore. So start point is there and end point is there. So this how the output should be there. So basically we have created two hash map. One is the original hash map and one is the reverse hash map I am trying to create. As I mentioned that I am trying to store the original values like Chennai to Bangalore, Bombay, Delhi, similarly this way inside the original hash map, and inside the reverse hash map I am just reversing it. What is value is Bangalore, suppose here. So Bangalore to Chennai, Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Goa, Goa, Delhi. This how I am trying to store inside the reverse hash map. And then what I am trying to do, like I am iterating that original hash map, like original list how it is there inside the original hash map. Then I am iterating it and I am checking if the reverse hash map doesn't contain the key of the original one, then we are getting the start point here, and then I am breaking it. And similarly we are getting the 2 also, 2 destination point. And while 2 does not equals to null, we are printing start and 2, and we are interchanging the values of start and 2, and we are getting the values 2 from the original dot get start. And overall time complexity if you see of this program is O of n using hash map. as we are just iterating it, we are inserting it, and we are doing this while loop. So that's it from my side. If you know any feedback or any suggestion,